What's up guys, my name is Cornelius Robinson and this is Overshoot. So for the next few videos I want to take a slightly different approach. I want to start a project from start to finish and I'm going to use Flux to do it. What I'm going to be creating is a charging dock for an iPhone. I've created a simple diagram here that shows kind of what I want the elements to be. These boxes right here are the outline of the iPhone, so it can be in vertical or horizontal orientation. This would be the magnetic charger. Over here we've got some other elements like the time and the charging percentage. And that'll be synced wirelessly to the iPhone via Bluetooth. I'm just going to use a standard wireless charger for this. However, we need to create a PCB that can do all of this functionality. And we're going to use Flux to do that. So we need to start out with the 7-segment displays that it will be using for the time and the battery percentage. I'm going to be using this 7-segment display. I've already started the project here in Flux. We've got all of our terminals, A through our decimal point, along with our 2 anode. I just need to fill in the rest of the properties here. The manufacturing part number. We'll just grab that here. Manufacturing name is Broadcom. Forward voltage. Let's look at the data sheet. 2.95. Current is 5 milliamps for each LED. Purchase URL. And the datasheet URL. Okay, that's all the properties that I want for this part. Let's go over to the PCB. Alright, and as you can see, I've already started the footprint. I already have the pads in the right places where they need to be. However, these pads need to be rectangular instead of circular. So the way we can do that is by setting a rule. Up here we see rules. Add rule set. We'll just name this pads. You can see we've selected 10 objects, which is perfect. And we'll add a size. And a pad shape. The shape needs to be rectangular. Okay, that looks better already, but we need to specify the size. Now if we look over here in the datasheet, the size needs to be 1.4 millimeters by 2.6 millimeters. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Perfect. Now we need to make sure that we publish the changes. Okay, and we have our first part. Alright, that's all I wanted to cover in this video. I just wanted to give you a quick introduction to the project I'm working on. Make sure to like and subscribe so that you can follow me along. And feel free to comment any suggestions that you have for this project, and I'll see you in the next one.